Madam Speaker, we clear roads and replant electric poles that have been scattered by Hurricane Melissa. Tomorrow, we build highways that are climate resilient, promote efficient connectivity, and have underground conduits for electricity grid and telecom networks. Madam Speaker, this is a government that cares.
It takes cash to care, and the government has put forward a $1.44 trillion budget for the 2026-2027 fiscal year. The budget outlines recurrent expenditure of $1.34 trillion and capital spending of $99.74 billion. It is funded by tax revenue of $979.36 billion and non-tax revenue of $97.33 billion. The Ministry of Finance and the Public Service continues to receive the lion's share of the recurrent budget, totaling $567.12 billion. It's a significant increase of $76.44 billion over the previous fiscal year. On the capital side, the ministry has been allocated $37.9 billion. Steadfast fiscal management is the mantra driving government action, and that involves debt management. The Finance Ministry is projected to spend approximately $377 billion on debt servicing for 2026-2027, including $210 billion in interest and $167 billion in principal repayments. Another area for careful management is public sector wage adjustments and contingencies. $91.49 billion is set aside for this. Of this, $42.78 billion has been earmarked for new rates and retroactive salary adjustments.
This government is indicating that despite the massive disruption of Melissa, totaling US $8.8 billion or 41% of our GDP, and the debt we must take on to rebuild, reconstruct, and build in resilience in our infrastructure as a government, despite all of that, Madam Speaker, we remain committed to the wage offer that this government has put forward to our public sector workers.
Other allocations include $228 million for the Community Renewal Program, CRP. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin is getting $532.43 million to support the relocation of its offices. The Jamaica Customs Agency is projected to generate $23.76 billion to deliver on its mandate, while $738 million is allocated to bolster border control operations, risk assessments, and investigations. Operational support continues for Tax Administration Jamaica, the Financial Investigations Division, whose mandate is to deter money laundering and other financial crimes, the Revenue Protection Department, and Accountant General's Department. Additionally, $50.26 billion has been earmarked for pensions and other retirement benefits. The Ministry of Finance's capital budget of $37.9 billion is partially funded by the government, with support from the Adaptation Fund, the European Union, and the Inter-American Development Bank, IDB. Of this, $35 billion has been set aside as a contingency provision. It includes $30 billion dedicated to projects for Hurricane Melissa reconstruction and restoration. Efforts to strengthen climate resilience continue, with $30 million allocated to the Enhancing the Resilience of the Agricultural Sector and Coastal Areas project, scheduled for completion in September 2026. The Jamaican Path from Hills to Ocean project has been allotted $119.95 million to complete works at Castleton Botanical Gardens and construct an armored waterway at Decoy St. Mary, with completion expected in November 2026. Projects go beyond physical construction and into the digital architecture of daily operations. One such intervention is the upgrade of Tax Administration Jamaica's Revenue Administration Information System. $1.08 billion will finance that work in the fiscal year. The other is the continued support to the Public Sector Transformation Program, with a price tag of $1.66 billion. As Jamaica charts its path forward, the 2026-2027 budget reflects a government committed to responsible fiscal management, strategic investment, and climate resilience.